Hello, you're watching weekly review of the US stock market on the ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Katerina Stikhina. The US stock market edged lower on Friday on the back of lackluster financial reports and weaker than expected forecast of some big companies. The Nasdaq Composite slightly came off its all-time highs on the back of lower shares in Microsoft, Oracle, Texas Instruments, eBay, Analog Devices and Microchip. The index closed the last week at 6,387.75. Over the week, the Nasdaq gained 1.2%. The blue chip Dow Jones closed the Friday trades at 21,580.07, still edging down from the historical high hit last week. The shares in Goldman Sachs and Chevron were the worst performers among the Dow components. The Dow Jones was the only index to close the previous week in the red, with a decline of 0.3%. The Standard & Poor's 500 declined, while trade volume was 20% higher than a monthly average. The energy sector showed the largest decline. Throughout the week, the S&P 500 added 0.5%, rising to 2,472.54. There was no significant news on Friday, so market participants honed in on corporate reports. The shares in General Electric decreased significantly. The company revealed that its quarter earnings fell by 45% and its revenue by 12%. After the news, the shares lost 2.9% in price. Meanwhile, shares in the biggest internet auction, eBay, dropped by 1.5%. The corporation's net income from continuing operation sank to $27 million in comparison with the $437 million a year earlier. The revenue increased by $100 million to $2.3 billion. The figures coincided with market forecasts. The American worldwide consumer products company Colgate-Palmolive reported on declines in its net income and revenue in the second quarter of 2017. Still, the company's capitalization increased by 1.6%. The shares in Microsoft lost 0.6% despite higher net income and revenue in the fourth fiscal quarter of 2017. The market price of the American leading payment system Visa rose by 1.5%. It reported the earnings of 86 cents a share in the last financial quarter. The company's revenue made up $4.57 billion. Analysts had projected the earnings of 81 cents a share and the revenue of $4.36 billion. You were watching a weekly review of the US stock market on the ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Katerina Stikhina. Have a profitable deals with ИнстаФорекс.